Hi students, welcome at KitCan Digital Learning. I am your English teacher. Today I am presenting you lecture number 7 and our topic is Letter from Murree from your book We Learn English Class 2 published by Oxford University Press. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to advise you a few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitCan Digital Learning. Like and subscribe your school channel so you will not miss any video. Carefully listen and watch video from start to end. Find out the answer of the question from the video. You have to watch the video multiple times until you have find the answer. Dear Nasir, how are you? I am enjoying my holidays. प्यारे नासिर, तुम कैसे हो? मैं अपनी छुट्टियां एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. I am sending some photographs. मैं तुम्हें कुछ तस्वीरें भेज रहा हूँ. In the first picture, I am cutting wood to make a fire. पहली तस्वीर में मैं कुछ लकड़ियाँ काट रहा हूँ आग जलाने के लिए. In the second picture, I am making a snowman. दूसरी तस्वीर में मैं बर्फ़ से एक स्नोमैन बना रहा हूँ. In the third picture, I am shopping at a mall. तीसरी तस्वीर में मैं एक मॉल में शॉपिंग कर रहा हूँ. I hope you will visit me soon. Your friend Taha. What are Nasir's daily activities? Look at the clocks and see what Nasir is doing. At 6 o'clock, Nasir is washing his face. It is 7 o'clock, Nasir is going to school. It is 10 o'clock, Nasir is helping the teacher. It is 2 o'clock, Nasir is eating lunch. It is 5 o'clock, Nasir is playing football. It is 9 o'clock, Nasir is sleeping. Now you have to answer the question, and the question is, who is writing the letter? Hope you enjoyed and learned basic concept of today's topic. Don't forget to answer the question and write the answer of this question in your summer vacation copy or journal within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project marks, as total marks of this question will be added in your final term exams based on your reply of all questions. The marks of these questions are 10. Hope to see you in the next topic and learn more new concepts. Thank you. Bye bye.